Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito yung part 2 ng reading ninyo for 2026. This is focused on money, career, finances sa inyong kaperahan. Ayan. Paalala lang, reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, ito lang po yung aking account. Iwasan niyo po yung mga magme-message sa inyo sa Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or dito sa YouTube kasi may mga nagre-re-upload ng videos ko tapos nagpapanggap na sila si Mystic Queen PH. Hindi po ako unang magme-message sa inyo. Kung gusto niyo po ng private reading, meron tayong link sa description o kaya sa comment section para dun kayo magbo-book. Okay? Hindi ako nag-offer ng spells o kaya ritual. Okay? So it's only astrology and tarot readings. And yun nga, meron po tayong booking page, yung calendar natin, official calendar, doon po kayo mag-book. Ayan, i-follow nyo lang at i-subscribe nyo lang yung mga legit accounts ko sa mga platforms, sa lahat ng platforms. Iwasan nyo ang mga scammers. Okay. Sag. What's the energy for you? Kaperahan, 2026. Money, career, finances. Symbiosis, trine. Uy, may tulong, no? Merong good luck sa inyo when it comes to your career, business, kung ano man sisimulan ninyo ngayong 2026. You also have Pluto. This is rebirth, change. Oh my God. So this is transformation, endings, new beginnings in your money, in your career, by yung business ninyo. You also have Aquarius energy, which is collaboration, working with others, being part of a community. So, kumbaga, more on networking kayo ngayong 2026 Sagittarius. And ito yung babago sa sitwasyon ninyo kasi mas marami kayong connections, the better. Sabi nga ni sino ba yun? Your network is your net worth. Kung gaano karami yung network mo, yun yung posibleng dami rin ng pwede mong kitain. Kasi nga, connections yun eh. Whether this is personal mong kakilala or hindi mo kilala pero kilala ka nasa online. So definitely there is a major change, transformation in your kaperahan, trabaho, business, career, endings, new beginnings. Ano to tong trine sextile na to? Oh, wow. This is expansion. Exploration. May mga bago kang susubukan, i-discover about your business, your career, and someone is going to help you, no? Pwedeng personal mong kilala or hindi mo kilala. Let's say, for example, may mentor. Itong mentor na to, hindi mo naman talaga kilala. Pwedeng napapanood mo lang siya, nababasa mo yung libro niya, pero natututo ka sa kanya. So, yun yung mga tinatawag na indirect mentor. Meron namang direct mentor na kilala mo face-to-face, nag-uusap kayo, gina-guide ka. So, this is definitely expansion, exploring other opportunities para sa'yo. And there is someone na tutulong sa'yo dyan. Wow! Oh, you have the sun, vitality. This is power, energy. Okay? Marami kang energy, marami kang kakayanan, abilities to make things happen for yourself, for your career, for your business, ngayong 2026. Napaka-positive ng energy na yan. Tignan natin, antong Pluto, ano yung nagtatransform? The Four of Swords. You are recovering. Oh my. Alam nyo, Sag, kung naging challenging sa inyo ang pera nyo, trabaho, business, career nyo, nung mga nakaraang buwan, nakaraang taon, ngayong 2026, it's the time to recover. Okay? Halimbawa, nadapa ka, ito yung panahon ng pagbangon. You are healing. You are rebuilding yourself. You are rebuilding yourself. Oh, diba? King of Pentacles. You have the crown. Oh, maaring meron kang ma-acquire na abilities na magle-level up ng iyong career, ng trabaho mo, ng business mo. Ang ganda. This is also, kung may work ka, no, pwedeng ikaw ay ma-promote, magkaroon ka ng leadership role, tataas sweldo mo. or magkakaroon ka talaga ng mas magandang negosyo or mas successful na business kaysa sa dati na nililet go mo na. Okay, let's see what else. Aquarius energy, the Hanged Man, sacrifice. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo kasi, maaring mahiyain, yung tipong introvert, pero meron kayong kailangang i-improve sa sarili ninyo na you really need to reach out to people. You really need to be out there. Na, oo na, mahiyain tayo or ayaw natin makita ng ibang tao. Makita tayo ng iba. Pero kung yan yung iyong destiny, no, hindi mo na mapipigilan yan eh. At mapapansin mo yan na things are going to be easy, magiging madali when you show up. When somebody sees you, when you inspire people. Pero kung ikaw yung parang nag-hold back, ayaw mo, may struggle eh. Mapapansin mo may inner struggle yan. Kaya magkakaroon ka ng reassessment ng life mo. Oo, magre-reassess ka ng life mo for your money, career, finances, na ito ba yung gusto ko, ano ba yung gusto ko for myself, ganun. It needs some sacrifices. Meron kang kailangang mga, yung tinatawag na compromise, iko-compromise. Oh, di ba? You are the magician. You are someone who can manifest anything you want in your life, in your career, in your business, in your finances. Kailangan lang maging open ka. Open ka for collaboration, to work with others. Kailangan din nakikinig ka sa iba. Open ka sa guidance ng iba. Open ka sa mga ideas ng iba. Kasi we are here to collaborate, to work with others to create. And we learn from each other, di ba? Natututo tayo. Emergency fund. Ayan, yung iba sa inyo walang emergency fund. Kaya ngayong 2026, isa rin to sa goal ninyo. Yung makapag-create kayo ng emergency fund, makapag-save kayo ng 3 to 6 months of pera, no? Worth of money na kinikita ninyo. Halimbawa, kinikita nyo sa isang buwan, 100,000. O, kailangan meron kayong natabi for emergency fund na 300,000 to 600,000. O, yun yung goal ninyo. Kasi maaring ng mga nakaraang buwan, wala kayong emergency fund, dun agad madaling maapektuhan yung flow ng pera natin. Time management. Yes, napaka-importante para maging productive ka. You have to manage your time. At umiwas sa mga distraction. 'Di ba? Ano ba yung mga nakakapag-distract sa atin na hindi naman tayo productive? Number 1 dyan, internet, mga social media, na alam mong hindi naman kapakipakinabang sa buhay mo at wala namang nagagawa para sa sarili mo to improve yourself, to improve your career. 'Di ba? I-manage mo na yung time mo ng maayos para ikaw rin ang makinabang yan. Oo. Kung ano yung mga task mo, ako yung ginagawa ko everyday, sinusulat ko yung mga kailangan kong i-accomplish for the day. And nakakatuwa siya kasi kapag na-accomplish mo, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. And then the next day, ayun, may goal ka na naman, 'di ba? Work flexibility, ayan. So, mas magiging flexible ka dahil maaring magdadagdag ka ng bagong kaalaman, bagong skill, 'di ba? That will help you na ma-accomplish lahat ng task mo. 'Di ba? Pwede rin tong kung may negosyo ka, syempre, yung iba, yung bang gusto nila sila talaga yung hands-on sa business. Kaya lang alam nyo, mas mapapalago nyo yung negosyo nyo kung merong ibang tao ang mag-aasikaso niyan ng mga bagay, ng mga simpleng bagay na pwede nang gawin ng iba. Totoo yan. Wealth visualization. So, ito yung binivisualize ninyo for your future. Yan. Titingnan mo na, i-visualize mo na, i-manifest mo na anong gusto mo ma-experience para sa career mo, sa business mo, trabaho mo ngayong 2026. You visualize that. Yun yung lagi mong iisipin. At yun yung gagawin mong inspiration. You are learning all aspects of spiritual connection and reaching new heights. O, you are reaching new heights. Nag-elevate ka. May elevation sa career mo, sa business mo, trabaho mo. New rhythms are coming into your life now. You are encouraged to trust and adapt. Totoo. May mga pagbabagong darating, no? That's part of your transformation. Kailangan daw magtiwala ka at mag-go with the flow ka. You have to adapt. Stand tall and proud. See the leadership role unfolding ahead of you. See, merong leadership role. You are here to become a leader. Diba? Someone na in control of your situation sa career, sa business, sa pera mo, diba? Ayan. So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.